Luxury on wheels. Upgrade your lifestyle with a sports car in a world where style, performance, and comfort are often considered status symbols. Few vehicles can compare to the allure of a sports car. These machines offer an unmatched blend of power, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology, making them the ultimate upgrade to any lifestyle. Here's why investing in a sports car is more than just about driving. It's about living life in the fast lane. 1. Unleashing unmatched performance. At the heart of every sports car is an engine designed for thrilling acceleration and precision handling. Whether it's the roar of a V8 engine or the smooth purr of a turbocharged 4-cylinder, sports cars are engineered to deliver an experience unlike any other. Their lightweight aerodynamic bodies allow for exceptional agility, making every twist and turn on the road an adventure. For those who crave the thrill of speed, a sports car offers unparalleled performance. With top speeds that often reach well over 200 mph and acceleration from 0 to 60 mph in mere seconds, it's a ride that will satisfy even the most discerning driving enthusiast. The seamless integration of advanced suspension systems ensures a smooth, controlled experience. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling tight corners, the ultimate in luxury and comfort. While sports cars are renowned for their performance, their luxury features cannot be overlooked. Many top-tier sports car brands such as Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Porsche offer interiors crafted with the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and top-of-the-line infotainment systems. The attention to detail in both design and comfort is unrivaled, making it clear that a sports car is more than just a means of transportation. Moreover, modern sports cars come equipped with state-of-the-art technology, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and infotainment systems with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These features combine convenience with luxury, ensuring that every journey is as comfortable as it is exhilarating. 3. Style that turns heads. A sports car is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. From the sleek curves of a Ferrari 488 to the sharp edges of a McLaren 720S, every sports car is designed to turn heads. The styling of a sports car exudes exclusivity and elegance, offering a visual experience that matches its performance. The presence of a sports car on the road commands attention, making it clear that you're a person who values excellence, sophistication, and individuality. Whether you're driving through the city streets or parked at an upscale venue, a sports car elevates your status and complements your lifestyle. 4. The joy of driving. Driving a sports car is a deeply immersive experience. It's about feeling the road beneath you, hearing the engine roar to life, and knowing that every corner you take, every gear you shift, and every acceleration feels perfectly tuned to your desires. Whether you're carving through winding mountain roads or cruising along the coast, driving a sports car engages your senses and provides a connection to the road that's hard to match. With advanced features like adaptive suspension and dynamic driving modes, sports cars allow you to personalize the driving experience. To suit your mood, you can choose between comfort and sport settings, ensuring that every drive is as enjoyable as the last. 5. A wise investment in prestige owning. A sports car is often viewed as a symbol of success and achievement. It's a tangible expression of the hard work, dedication, and passion that have brought you to this point in life. However, in addition to being a lifestyle upgrade, sports cars can also be a wise financial investment. Certain sports car models, particularly limited edition and classic cars, can appreciate in value over time. With proper care and maintenance, an iconic model could become a valuable asset, allowing you to not only enjoy the car, but also potentially make a profit when you decide to sell it. 6. The community and lifestyle owning. A sports car also opens the door to a community of like-minded enthusiasts. Car clubs, track days, and social gatherings provide opportunities to connect with others who share your passion for speed and luxury. Sports cars create a lifestyle where every road trip becomes an experience and every twist of the key marks the start of an adventure. Whether you're attending an exclusive rally or simply enjoying a leisurely drive through the countryside, the connections you make through the sports car community are part of the allure. The shared passion for performance and design creates bonds that transcend the car itself. Conclusion: upgrade your lifestyle with a sports car. A sports car is not merely a vehicle, it's an embodiment of luxury, performance, and style. It's about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about making every journey an unforgettable experience. Whether you're looking to feel the rush of the open road or to turn heads at the most prestigious events, a sports car offers a lifestyle upgrade that few other investments can provide. When you choose to invest in a sports car, you're not just purchasing a machine, you're investing in an experience, one that brings speed, style, and sophistication into your life. And with the right model, that experience could last a lifetime.